Hey guys, I am making a video from home today. So I wanted to talk to you now that we've done a few days of how to subtract and regroup. I wanted to talk to you about what subtraction is because it's very important that you understand what's going on. Okay, so got my handy dandy little portable whiteboard here that I stole from Sam. I think he'll let me use it, maybe just this once. So whenever I'm talking about addition or subtraction, really, this is how I think of it, okay? You've got your whole number, right? So like 12 bananas, right? 12 is the whole. That's all that's in the group. It's everything, okay? And then what subtraction does is it takes that whole group and it breaks it into two parts, or it could be three parts, but it breaks it into parts, right? So if I have 12 bananas and I eat 4 of them, then there would be 8 left, okay? And the two parts equal the whole, okay? 4 and 8 make 12. And that's always what subtraction does. If I have 10 race cars and there are 2 blue ones, 4 red ones, that's 6, and then 4 orange ones, then those parts would make my whole, okay? So in subtraction, you start with the whole, right? It might look like this. You take away one part, and then this number will be the other part, okay? So in this problem that I just did, the whole was 245, could be anything. That's my cat. Okay. Okay, so 245 cheeseburgers. I sell 123 of them, and I have 122 left. Okay? That's a lot of cheeseburgers. But that's what subtraction is. A whole and the parts. So what I want you guys to do is write, the cat is determined to be up here. This is Shiloh, and she likes to be right in the middle of everything that is happening, like a video. So what I want you guys to do is write some word problems that use subtraction and then solve them. So like I kind of just wrote one about cheeseburgers out loud, right? So that's what you're going to be doing. I'm gonna do another one, okay? Me and Sam went to the Science Museum today, okay? True story, we really did. You have to wear a mask the whole time. Sam does not like masks at all. So we go to the Science Museum. There are 73 people there. Probably weren't that many. Okay, 29 of them leave. How many are left? So that's the other part. I don't know what the other part is. I just know that these two parts together, okay, part A and part B, have to make the whole. Okay? That's how subtraction is. If your two parts don't make the whole, something's wrong. So, one way I could solve this problem would be to do 73 minus 29. Go through my regrouping, borrowing steps. So that's my other part, okay? So that means 44 people were still there. And I can check that to see if it makes sense by adding my parts. And look, it gave me that answer. So my parts make my whole. Shiloh's coming back. She thinks she's jumping back up here. We'll have to block her. So That's another subtraction word problem. So I want you to take a blank piece of paper, okay? And I want you to write a subtraction story, a word problem that has subtraction in it, solve the problem, and I want you to draw it. You can draw people, bananas, you can draw the boxes like I just did. I just want you to show me that you understand parts in a whole. I'm gonna do one more, okay? I'm gonna make it look just like I want you guys to do, okay? Sam has a box of 302 Legos. Okay? He takes 150 to school. Like, he's got to hang out with me in the room a lot. He needs something to do. So we bring Legos sometimes. So the question, right, the whole was 302. The part was 150. There's another part, right? So that part stays home. So that's going to be my question. Okay, your story should sort of end with a question. How many are still in the box? The box he started with at home. Okay? So, Sam has a box of 302 Legos. He takes 150 to school. How many are still in the box? To find that out, we would use subtraction because we have a whole, a part's missing, that's subtraction. If it was addition, they would give you the parts and say, what's the whole? Like they would say, Sam took 150 Legos to school. He left blah, blah, blah in the box. How many are there in all? And the answer would be 302. Okay. So now to draw it, I like my parts in a whole. Okay. The whole, the big number, 302. One part was 150. Here comes Shiloh again. Okay, and to solve it, I'm gonna subtract. Okay, so just like that, I've got a 0 in the middle, so I'm gonna have to borrow. I don't do it that way. That way's hard. It's because I'm left-handed, I think. Okay, 2 and 10. Now my 2 can borrow from my 10. 9, 12. Did you just see me make that subtraction mistake? I didn't even have to borrow. So okay. 302, 150. Did you see what I did wrong? Like 2 minus 0, you don't have to borrow. Everybody makes mistakes, all right? So 2 minus 0 is 2. 0 minus 5, now I have to borrow. 2, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 152. Okay? And I kind of just do that in my head. I know these two parts are going to make 302 because I know that half of 300 is 150. So this is like half, and a little more. It's going to work out. Okay? So write me a subtraction story. Solve it. Find your answer. Okay? Draw a picture of it. If you want to draw Legos and write numbers, that's cool. If you just want to do parts in a whole, that's okay too. Email that to me, crockerj@mustangps.org. I will put that in the directions, okay? Write a subtraction problem, send it to me, make your teacher happy. Thank you.